So at 4 minutes and 30 seconds in this video, we had the unique opportunity to check out a wood shop. Come along with us, guys. You're going to really love this place. It's absolutely beautiful.
So in the video before, I don't know if you guys can make out the overhang of the snow coming off the roof there. That's what fell just behind Sean. So I'm trying to stay back, making sure that I'm not in line of fire of those snow buildup. This snow's deep here.
Yeah.
So what he's doing is just kind of windrowing it as best he can away from the building, because they do have trucks come in and out of the back here. Yep. Whew. You calm down back here.
Another day, another dollar.
Nope, it's the same day. Same day.
Same days.
Different dollar.
We've had a long day.
We have.
My day started at 4 a.m. and I didn't take a nap.
Nope, we did some other work around the house, around the homestead. So my coffee I have sitting on the sidewalk because it's too hot for me to drink right now. Because the gas station we stopped at didn't have an ice maker, and I like to put ice in my coffee. Oh, bless it. I'll get started on the sidewalks.
You get started on the sidewalks.
Hold on, pose. And go.
Thumbnail. So is it as fun as what you remember it? More fun?
More fun.
That's the most important thing you need, is a good cup of coffee. So some of you were asking me about how the trailer was going to handle the snow and ice up on top of it, and so far so good. I am keeping an eye on it. Not really much stress on it. There is a layer of ice and then snow on top of it, but figured I'd show you guys real quick. Do a little off-roading, Teddy.
This is where you jumped out of the truck at.
Yeah, we might need four-wheel drive. Hold on, Ted. All right, guys, so we're picking something up from the wood carvers here.
Now, do you only like to do like local, or do you ship your stuff out?
Oh, we don't ship it, no.
Okay.
We usually have them come pick it up, and if it's a great big thing that probably hard for them to handle, we put it on our lift truck and haul it out.
Do you have a website, Jack?
Yeah.
What's
Did
your...
I give you a card?
I believe so.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I'll plug Jack's information down in the bottom. You're in Apple Creek, Ohio.
Well, we're in, actually this is Dalton.
Dalton, Ohio.
Yeah.
If anybody's looking for some wood carving, I'll put his information in the description. You guys can check it out.
You gotta come get it.
Yeah, you gotta come pick it up though. I don't think you're shipping a 6-foot bird.
I'll tell you what, the shipping would end up more than what it costs for the card.
Yeah.
I believe it.
So,
Let's go check him out carving out here real quick.
Yeah. Come on, puppy.
Come on, Ted.
He's making a ghost eagle, we call that.
A ghost eagle.
See, it's all, keep going, you're doing fine. I'm looking you on the film. Cut all this out back here. You can see through it, if you shine light up to it, it's clear.
So I'm not sure if you heard what he said. That's called a ghost eagle. They're actually going to put a light in the back side of it, so it'll illuminate the inside of the bird. Really cool here, guys. This is like my dream shop. Not for the wood carving side of things, but just for the area. It's out in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely gorgeous. They have all their wood just set up. Different things they've carved. We got a big Indian back there. I know he does a lot of Indian stuff. This one he sends in for a repair. It's really old and it cracked, but they can fix it. Check that detail out though. That is awesome. Can't show that over there yet. Can't show that over there. Anyways, great big thank you to Lumberjack for allowing us to film here at his shop. Really, really cool.
Are you coming with us, mister? Come on. Let's go bye-bye. Come on.
Come on, Daddy.
Look how pretty. Just up on top of a hill somewhere. Very beautiful. I think my dad will like that.
I'll show him. He'll watch the video.
No.
Daddy, you ready to go bye-bye? Let's go. Come here. Come on. You gonna make me come to you?
He sat. That's what he has to do. He has to sit before we pick him up.
Gotta shake it off. He needs a coat.
Yeah, we'll have to go get him one.
He's not a winter dog.
He shivers. Let's go.
So if you remember last year, we went out 2 times the entire winter season, okay? So a little recap, we've already went out twice this year, guys. Now I know it's just the beginning of December. I'm not trying to jinx anybody. I know snowplow folks tend to be a little superstitious. So, you know, I'm not gonna say it was good or bad. I'm just glad we were out there. We were able to work. We were able to drop the plow a little bit, spread some salt, but most importantly, make some money and have a good time. It felt really good to kind of just get back into it. I'll tell you what, today I'm feeling it in the arms, man, unloading that salt and stuff. you know, if we stay in it for next year, guys, I'll tell you right now, I think I'll be going to bulk salt in a bigger V-box or type spreader or something like that, because I'm just about done with bagging salt. It's been good for the last couple years, but, you know, I'm not getting any younger, but still a young guy, but it just got to get faster, you know, as you can afford things and get quicker. Absolutely got to do it at any point. Teddy's freaking out if you hear that. He doesn't like that I'm out here talking to you guys and I didn't let him out here. I'm in the garage. It's pretty cold still. But no, just a real quick recap. Successful event. A lot of the footage that we took did not turn out because it was just too dark. If there's no light, the GoPros, the cameras just don't want to pick it up. And a lot of the areas, especially some of the residentials that we plow and salt, there's just no lighting whatsoever, so the footage doesn't turn out. Now I can do night mode on the GoPro, but it just, I don't know, it's really fast, and it just, we're on and off the residential properties in a matter of minutes, and the footage just isn't really good. But overall, really good event, got us working, made us some money, and that's what it's all about in business, guys. And I'll tell you what, everybody was safe. I saw a lot of my friends and you know, other guys in this genre, in this business, they were able to get out and work and provide for their family. And that's just what's most important to me is, you know, I want to see everybody, including ourselves, succeed. And it just felt good to get out there. I'll tell you what, I did sleep in a little bit this morning. I was whooped when we got home about 2:30 a.m. And I think I slept until about 9:20. And TQ literally had to drag my behind out of bed. But yeah, not too crazy of a day. We did have a lot of errands, a lot of estimates. That's another good thing. It got people in the mood to like, hey, if you need snowplow, you know, this isn't going to be last year. You better get a snowplow guy or gal right now. So that was really good. It got people's butts in gear. And yeah, guys, as always, keep plowing, keep salting, keep making money, boys. We'll talk to you later. TQ out. Peace. Bye.